Hello my friends and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna tell you more about dollar cost averaging and how it actually works via Binance. So stay tuned to have all this information, and of course remember that I've already prepared some links. They are below this video in the description panel, so feel free to check them out. Okay, in general, cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and prices can make big moves in a short period of time, and it can rise like 10% up, and then it can actually fall immediately after some negative news happening in every sector of our life that it can actually have effect on cryptocurrency. So, knowing when it is a good time to invest can be challenging in such an environment. Some crypto investors prefer to use technical analysis to determine whether a cryptocurrency is overbought or oversold, while others take a more fundamental view of the market. There is an approach that tries to avoid market timing altogether, at least in the short term, and that is called dollar cost averaging. So that's it. How it works? Investor invests fixed amounts at regular intervals to reduce the influence of volatility over their investment. And actually, let's have an example. Suppose you believe Bitcoin will rise in price over the long term, but you have no idea what the short-term price behavior will be. And you want to invest $10,000 in Bitcoin. You can buy $10,000 in a lump sum or choose a DCA strategy, actually. A DCA strategy would be to buy 1,000 worth of BTC on the first day of the month, regardless of what happens in the market, and spreading your investment over time is to mitigate short-term price volatility. So that's exactly how it works. The main benefits of DCA via recurring buy on Binance. First of all, I just want to kind of shortly explain you what recurring buy is. It is a feature offered by Binance cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to invest a certain amount in a cryptocurrency at regular intervals. Like you could invest for example, $1,000 every Monday. So what are the benefits of it? Steady portfolio growth. Consistent investments at periodic intervals gradually grows your crypto wealth over time and reap the gains of invested projects' growth. Disciplined saving. Automates your crypto purchases and ensures you invest with discipline regardless of market conditions. Risk reduction. Manages impact from the volatile crypto market by spreading out your investments and smoothing out price swings. Emotional detachment. Remove the stress of timing the market and making impulsive decisions based on market conditions. Easy access to Binance ecosystem. Get your stash of crypto ready to explore other Binance products such as staking, spot trading, or even buying your first NFT. Convenience and flexibility. Choose between weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly purchases and cryptocurrencies you want to buy beforehand. Yes, so how to use recurring buy on Binance app. You need to register a Binance account to set up a recurring buy. To do this, follow the link in the description panel and you will get the $600 bonus. That sounds super nice, so do it right away. So after that, you log into your Binance account and tap credit debit card on the home page. Tap enable next to recurring buy to enable the feature. Select the fiat currency you want to use and the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Tap on the date to set up the frequency of your recurring purchase from weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly. You can select the day and time for the recurring purchase too, and that's how it actually looks like. Then you select your payment method. You can change the card. Then you add a new card if you still haven't done that. So you can manage your existing cards. You can remove cards if you want. So you can actually tap view plans to view your ongoing plans. And you will see order details. Check and tap confirm within 1 minute. After 1 minute, the price and the amount of crypto you will get will be recalculated. You can tap refresh to see the latest market price. You might be redirected to this page when they actually process your order. And your purchase of the recurring buy plan is now complete. If it fails, there will be this logo on your screen. Actually, it's super easy. So I mean, you can do this right away because this is an easy way to secure your money and to be kinda and save your time, save your money, and save you a lot of efforts of not being too much emotional about the events happening on the market. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you a super good day, and very soon I will prepare a new video for you. So see you and bye bye.